So we know that Samsung are testing the Galaxy S11 series right now, and that means that the devices have been finalized and it's just a matter of getting everything in place. Well, more details are emerging that are confirming a lot of the leaks and rumors that we've seen previously. Firstly, the Galaxy S11 series was tipped to feature a new aspect ratio this time around, with a longer 20:9 aspect ratio. Some information has come to light that seems to confirm this. Ice Universe on Twitter published some source code from the One UI Better software, and it does indeed reference a 20:9 aspect ratio screen. However, we must remember that this doesn't definitely mean it's going into the Galaxy S11 series. There's nothing in the code to suggest that, but considering battery sizes are getting bigger, confirmed by some leaks just in the last few days, we can safely predict bigger phones for the Galaxy S11 lineup, and a 20:9 aspect ratio has been tipped for these phones. That means a new aspect ratio for the Galaxy S11, a taller phone or a wider phone depending on how you're holding it, and that will mean more space within the phone to fit different hardware, for example the battery or the new camera system. We also got some detailed specs from very reliable leaker EVLeaks, saying what he expects the new screen sizes to be. Starting with the S11e with a 6.2, possibly 6.4 inch screen, 6.7 inches for the Galaxy S11, and 6.9 inches for the Galaxy S11 Plus. The current crop of Galaxy S10 phones, starting with the S10e, features a 5.8 inch screen, then a 6.1 inch screen, going on to a 6.4 inch screen. So this would mean that all three models in the range are getting bigger screens and will be bigger phones. Screen sizes are increasing from the S10 range about 8 to 10% depending on the phone. The phones are bigger and they can fit more components inside. Secondly, we got some information from Max Weinbach on Twitter and XDA developers regarding some code for the Samsung One UI camera app. More information in that code was found that supports output of 108 megapixels. That means that Samsung is definitely working on a device that will use a 108 megapixel sensor. But again, importantly, there's no concrete information linking that code to the Galaxy S11 phones. There are still some big downsides to that 108 megapixel sensor. The biggest downside is that when you take photos in 108 megapixel mode, you can't actually use HDR, which is a big downside because in smartphone photography, HDR is the thing that makes the photos look so great and exposed so well. Either way, whether it's 108 megapixels or closer to 16 megapixels, the main camera unit itself is changing and getting bigger, so we will see some big improvements in the camera on the Galaxy S11. EVLeaks continued that the S11e will drop the flat screen and move to a curved display this time around. So the Galaxy S11e is changing, not only getting bigger, but it will look more like the other two phones by mimicking their setup. But until we see some more concrete information, we don't know if the S11e will also feature the new periscope style zoom camera that its big brothers will be getting. So bigger phones and taller phones will be coming in the Galaxy S11 series this year. Subscribe for the latest tech news and everything to do with Samsung. That's it for now, but I'll see you in the next one.